In this video, I'll show you how to load some paper inside of your Lexmark B2236dw or similar printer. It's very easy. So the first thing we need to do over here is to open this drawer. You see there's a small slit over here. Put your fingers and pull the drawers towards you. You may need to put your thumb here so you can do this. Okay, so this is the actual paper drawer where you need to input the paper. Two small details here. You may notice, especially if your printer is brand new, that these two plastic guides that are gray are together in the middle. So what does it mean? It's simply that you need to pinch. You see over here, there's a blue tab. You need to pinch it and bring them to the extremities of this drawer. These are made that if you want to print on a smaller paper, let's say 4x6, you need to put these together this way. The paper does not come crooked inside of your printer. But if you're printing on letter size, this is US letter size paper, you need to bring this to the extremities. Now, if we pull this drawer completely, you're gonna notice there's another tab over here. And there's this marked over here. So you see letter with a small arrow. Then we have A4 if you want to load A4 size paper, or even legal paper. This is much larger over here with an arrow. Well, you see there is a small arrow. I know it's hard to see on the camera, but there's an arrow here. You're going to see it once you pull out this drawer. And we need to push this blue tab over here towards the left side, and at the same time to pinch this tab and pull it up. And depending again which kind of paper you're going to insert, so if it's legal, which is the maximum size for this printer, you'll need to bring it, you see this drawer with the arrow of where it says LGL towards the arrow over here. If you want to print on letter size, like I will do in a few seconds, well, you need to bring LTR, that is for letter size, towards this arrow. So make sure you select the right paper size. Now it's time to put our stack of paper. So we're going to take it, align it. Perfect. And we're going to deposit it in this drawer. You see, it fits perfectly. Once this is done, we're going to insert back the drawer. Make sure it click in place. And one last thing before I leave you, take a look over here. You'll have an estimate on how much paper there is in the paper tray. So you don't have to open it each time to check how much is left. Just look over here. You see this small blue thing? Well, once it's down, it means that there's no paper left. Once it's up, it means that the drawer is full. Right now, you see it's maybe at 1/3 of the capacity. While this way, you don't have to guess how much paper is left. Just look over here and you know how to add some more. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like. Check my Amazon affiliate links down below if you want to get some paper for your Lexmark printer. This way you also support my channel while you do this, and I'll see you in the next video.